So for bank nifty, we have a resistance around 37,100, that is a major resistance. Below that, 36,540 levels, again that second major resistance. But what first will be the major resistance around 36,000, that will be a major round level also. So we have a support. Let's mark it with the support, support. That will be our support. So we have a support around 35,990, because it will be a range you can take of 20 to 50 points. So if the market opens flat, that will be in the range of between this 36,000 700, 36,000, 36, 35,000, 700, 35,600, in this range. And if it breaks, I'll mark it. If it breaks down, so we can see a fresh bearish momentum towards the downside. But if it starts moving up, there will be a fresh resistance of 35,000, or we can say a round level of 36,000. So in this case, after breaking this channel, only then you have to take a trade. So if it breaks the 36,000, you can probably short 36,600 P one lot and buy a 35,000 P two lots. That's the best trade, and you can carry this till the expiry. So, and if it breaks the down channel, you already probably the more high chances are there. So you can short a 35,700 C one lot, buy two lots, 38,000 C, just to get the margin benefit. Remember, do consult your financial advisor before taking any trade. This will be a bearish one, this will be a bullish one. So this is called the option writing. Let's see in Nifty. Nifty, the major resistance 17,800, 17,200 mark, 300, 17,290, 310 major resistance. Another resistance 17,000, obviously a round level. Obviously Nifty has closing given a closing below that. So support the closing level 16,970, 16,960. If started moving below this, you can probably short. Going for a short, how to short it? Yes, you have a good idea. To short the Nifty 17,000 CE, one lot, buying two lots 18,900. Obviously, the if it started going below this, the previous closing level, there will be a no support. Always stop loss will be of 70 to 50 points. 50 to 70 points will be enough. But how much far call option you are shorting, that depends on that. If you are shorting the future, probably 50 to 70. If you're shorting a CE, probably 40 to 30 points. 30 to 40 points or 40 to 30 points will be enough as well. Similarly, if it started moving up, so obviously we have marked it 17,100 will be our first resistance. So after it started moving up, you can probably buy a sell a one PE of 17,600, buying two lots of 16,000. So this could be a good trade. Hope you enjoyed the video. So definitely, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, like and share and comments. We probably posting more videos